In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Jira dashboard to track Scrum team progress. Jira is a powerful tool that can help you visualize and manage your Scrum projects efficiently. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a customized dashboard that provides a clear overview of your team's progress and important metrics. Let's get started. First, open Jira and look at the panel on the left side of the screen. Here you'll find an option labeled Dashboards. Go ahead and click on this. This section is your gateway to creating and viewing dashboards that are crucial for tracking your team's workflow. After clicking Dashboards, you'll see a button labeled Create Dashboard. Select this to begin crafting your personalized tracking space. Once you've initiated the creation process, you'll need to input a name and a description for your dashboard. For example, you might call it Sprint Progress Dashboard. This helps you and your team easily identify the purpose of this dashboard amidst others you might create. The next step involves setting permissions. Jira allows you to choose who can view or edit your dashboard. You can opt for it to remain private, available only to your team, or open it up to your entire organization. This feature ensures that sensitive data is shared only with the appropriate audience. After you've set the desired permissions, click Save to finalize this part of the process. Now that your dashboard is created, it's time to add gadgets. Gadgets are small applications or components that provide at-a-glance information about various aspects of your Scrum project, essentially acting as the core of your dashboard. Let me guide you through some must-have gadgets for tracking team progress. Start with the Sprint Burndown chart. This gadget allows you to monitor the work completed in your sprints and helps project managers track if the team is meeting their goals. Next is the Sprint Health gadget. It offers an overview of the current sprint status and can signal whether the sprint is in a healthy state or if there are issues needing attention. Lastly, consider the Assign to Me gadget. It provides a quick reference to tasks and issues that are assigned to specific team members, making it easier for individuals to stay on top of their workload. Once your gadgets are in place, it's time to customize your dashboard's layout. You can drag and resize gadgets to adjust their placement and size, which enhances visibility and keeps the most critical information front and center. If you want even more customization, you can click on Change Layout to rearrange and resize the gadgets according to your preferences, and there you have it. With this customized dashboard, tracking your Scrum team's progress becomes not only manageable but also insightful, allowing for better decision making and team management. Happy Jira dashboarding!